Kambalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, so meron tayong 3 bags from Serenity Essentials. So these products are actually essential to your homes as well as to your cars or vehicles. From the name itself, it's Serenity. So these products can put you into a calm state, a peaceful state, an untroubled state. So before I continue, let me unpack them and kita ko po sa inyo kung ano yung mga products na pinadala nila. So like I said, they are very essential. And then lastly, ito talaga yung naging excited ako, guys. So these are Carsense, no? Ito yung mga nauuso ngayon na you put it sa rear mirror mo. It's an alternative to the usual Carsense na yung parang Christmas tree. And this one looks like this. So when you open it, actually meron siyang parang plastic stopper dito. So what it does is, again, it stops the liquid from escaping. And then you put back the cap. Balik mo siya. When you use it, you just put it upside down. And then you will notice na yung string natin will become wet as well as yung cap natin. And then that will initiate or start the scent. So this one is Cloud. Now aside from using it inside my car, I also use it inside my room. I hang it sa air condition namin. So as soon as the air condition starts, the fragrance will fill out the entire room. Now, I also want to introduce to you yung kanilang mist. Let me just name them, yung pinadala nila sa atin. So we have Bamboo, Cherry Blossom, Mint, and Cotton Soft. So we have 2 sizes. This one is the 250 ml, while this one is 100 ml. So again, aside from the smell or the ambience that you get from the fragrance, it is also a disinfectant, an antibacteria and deodorizer, meaning you can use it to disinfect your doorknobs, your light switches. You can also deodorize your room, your pillow, your bed, your linens and curtains, bathroom or your kitchen or any other kitchen surfaces. You can also use this as your disinfectant. It will help the house feel comfortable and peaceful. So aside from deodorizing your room, you can also use it to other things such as a bike helmet or your shoes. Alright, so they are open for resellers. If you're interested to be a reseller or a distributor, just check out their fan page. They also have discount up and running, so again, make sure to check out their fan page on how you can avail of that discount as well as the business opportunity you can get from Serenity Essentials. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this simple video that we put up for Serenity Essentials. But then again, we would like to thank them for sending us these new normal essentials and for keeping our house scented, peaceful, untroubled. Parang ganun yung feeling namin when we use these products. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!